So let's keep going. Let's keep going down their visualizations. There's something really key on this visualization. Does anybody in the chat, I think I have my chat open here. Does anybody in the chat want to kind of take a guess at what the key part is on this particular screen? Something is jumping out at me, and I think it should jump out to a lot of you. Anybody want to take a guess here? Give people I'll give you guys 30 seconds in the chat to go ahead and give a reply. What do you guys think? That's right, Tony. So Tony says the amount of people surveyed. That's exactly right. That is super key on this screen. Why? That's our end value, right? Again, see, now we're going from I'm reading this study to actually using some of my statistics and some of my data science knowledge. That's my end value, right? I need to know how many people were part of my sample, right? And then Tony says, and where the survey was taken. That's right.